blood test results you had?
I got 4,000 sets of results. If his name was on it, sounds like coincidence. Sorry, guys.
Look, in 10 years, we have never made a mistake. I assure you, no legitimate kidney was delivered to Gramercy in the last week.
Legitimate?
I'm not going to lie to you. In India, you can get a kidney for $20,000. I mean, if one were desperate enough, I suppose one could go overseas.
Or cross town? How desperate was Joanna Woodley?
Let's see. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give her an 11.
Because of the 2 failed transplants?
Very good, detective. You see, with each rejection, the body becomes more cytotoxic. I mean, this girl...
इस वीडियो का टाइटल होना चाहिए स्लीपिंग ब्यूटी। आँख लग गई थी, वीडियो भी बन गई। समझ तो आप गए ही होंगे कि ये किस चीज़ का फैक्ट है।